Mapp Cloud helps brands unify, enrich, and activate their customer data to power personalized experiences across the customer journey. Our platform leverages AI to draw actionable insights that help you act on real-time behavior to bring customer engagement and acquisition together. Becoming a partner with Mapp has never been easier. In this walkthrough, we'd like to show you our newest tool to support all of our partners, the Partner Portal. We've designed our partner program to focus on your success, and our Partner Portal is the central place to start and continue your journey with Mapp. You'll have access to fantastic features, including content and resources, co-branding collateral, creating landing pages, registering deals, requesting marketing development funds, and more. You'll also be able to earn rewards such as gift cards while growing your agency's involvement with our certification program. Let's dive into how you can access the Partner Portal and the range of features Mapp offers to support you with sales, marketing, training, and more.